Alright guys, Patriot Barbecue here. How's it going? How's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. It's Super Bowl Sunday. We're going to be making some snacks, and I figured we'd do a video to upload to Patriot Barbecue. Before we get started, do me a favor, please like and subscribe. Comment if you have any comments, questions, if you'd like to see me do something later, just let us know. But please subscribe and help us grow this channel. I'd really appreciate it. Alright, so we're going to do jalapeno poppers, wrapped in bacon, stuffed with cream cheese. And then later, I've got some garlic cloves here, and some Frank's Red Hot. Okay, that's going to be the main ingredients for the hot wings that I'm doing. I'm going to do some smoked hot wings, and I also got some of this. I have no idea if it's any good or not. It's Caribbean hot sauce chili habanero. My wife likes really spicy foods, so I thought I'd get some of that for her to make a couple of them extra spicy. So what we're going to do, what I like to do, is I like to cut the tails off, just like that. Alright. And we're going to cut these in half. I did just sharpen my knife, so my knife is good and sharp. Alright. For those of you that don't know, the hottest part of the jalapeno is the seeds and the inside. I take a spoon and I just try to get all the innards out of the jalapeno. If you like them spicy, you can leave some of them in. Doesn't have to be perfect, but if you're not careful, you'll take a bite of one of these things and your mouth will be on fire. So that's what you want the jalapeno to look like. That's when you first cut them. So do that. And what I'll do here is I'll just go ahead and make the first one. So there's some seeds on that spoon. Don't rub your face or your eyeballs while you're doing this. You'll be sorry. Okay? Take some cream cheese and just load that puppy up. Just low. It's hot. Okay, there's a piece of lint or something I just saw. Alright. I think I got it. Alright, so there's no right or wrong way necessarily with this portion of the video here, or this portion of the process. So that's basically it right there. Stuff it. There's that piece of lint. Got it. Okay, now I got it. And then you simply take a piece of bacon and begin to wrap it. I like to stretch it a little bit so that it makes it all the way around. That's basically it. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and make a bunch of these, and then we're going to start working on the smoked hot wings. So see you in a bit. Alright, Patriot Barbecue back at you here. We've got the jalapeno poppers already ready to go. And then here's the chicken wings that we're going to smoke. I went ahead and took some olive oil and just painted some olive oil down, kind of like a binder, like we would with mustard on our brisket and our ribs. And then I went ahead and seasoned lightly with some AP seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika. The paprika, just to add a little bit of color, just kind of gives it like a nice reddish color that I like to see on the chicken. So we're getting ready to get them on the smoker, and we'll check back in with you guys later. All right, we got the smokers ready to roll. We've got some chicken over here. I'm gonna be getting that going next. Just got the smoker lit up and brought up to temp. So for now, I'm just gonna be putting some of these jalapeno poppers on and get those going. So all we're gonna do is just lay these out. just like this. Just get them laid out. Okay. That's that. Go ahead and close that. And we're gonna start. What I want to do is I want to sear them. Once they're seared, we're gonna get them on the smoker. So here we go. Just gonna get a nice good sear on one side, then I'm gonna flip them, set them aside, and we'll get them on the smoker. Smells good, and that already smells good. See how quick that's cooking, babe?
Yeah, it went real quick. Some little grill marks on there.
Yeah. Shouldn't take very long. Okay. So what I did was I put all the charcoal on one side of this grill, only on one side, so that if I don't want any more heat, or if I'm running into a little bit of trouble with the temp or whatever, you always have a safety where you can come off of the hot area and buy yourself a little bit of time. Okay. Actually, what I want to do very carefully is bring this over here.
It's easier to transfer though.
Yeah. All right, now we're going to start getting some of these puppies on and then keep on rolling. Smoking these today with mesquite lump charcoal and mesquite hardwood, mesquite wood. That's what's going down on the smoker. The temperature that we're running these at is between 250 and 275, and it should take about an hour and a half to 2 hours to smoke. Next group on. Somebody's getting squirrely on Superbowl. And it ain't me. We out here chilling and grilling. That's all we're doing. Chilling and grilling. That's right. Okay, smells great. Can we eat them yet, Dad? I don't think so. All right, so we're gonna we're gonna sear them. You hear them? Talking to us. So we're gonna sear them and flip them, sear them, then get them on the smoker. Once we've got all this done, we'll check back in for the next process. I'm gonna simmer some goodies together and make a sauce to toss these bad boys in. And we'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. This is one of my favorite snack cuts. These are called Tablitas at the Mexican market. They're freaking delicious, okay? We're gonna cook up some of these real quick. These are what I like to snack on while we're cooking. All right. Now these are really freaking tasty. We're gonna let those do their thing for just a couple of seconds, a couple of minutes here. So we've got the tablitas going, and then over here, temperature is right now sitting at 275 degrees, which is where I want it. We've got our chicken wings smoking. We've got our jalapeno poppers smoking. When they're done or close to done, I'm gonna bring them out and I'm gonna finish them off in the oven. For some reason, I just like doing that. The jalapeno, it cooks a little bit better in the higher heat than the smoke temperature. So yeah, we're chilling and grilling. Patriot Barbecue, having a great day. We'll check in later, guys. Have a good one. All right, so the wings are almost done outside. We're using some Frank's Red Hot. And then in here, I've got 3/4 of a stick of butter, about 5 cloves of garlic minced, and we're gonna go ahead and add this Frank's Red Hot in here. Let's see how that does there. Then we're just gonna mix this and salt and pepper to taste. And then we're gonna go ahead and toss the hot wings in here. So when it's ready to go, we'll check back in with you guys. Just getting started. All right, so the wings are pretty much done. What I'm gonna do now is baste in barbecue sauce, half of them, so that some people want spicy, some people don't. Okay, we're gonna just go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on these puppies. Just like that. All right, we'll check back with you guys in a few minutes when we're gonna toss the next ones in some Frank's Red Hot sauce with a little garlic and some AP seasoning. We're about 15 minutes out. All right, guys. So we've got the chicken wings smoked in here, and we've got the Frank's Red Hot with some butter and some garlic minced, and we're just gonna toss them in here. We're just gonna toss them around in here. They're nice and ready to rock and roll. And one over here, so you can see in the light. And that's the finished product for now. And we'll taste test them soon. Doing a quick taste test. Jalapeno poppers are on point. Now I'm gonna try the hot wings. Good. All right, we're gonna go watch the game and enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe. We'll be doing more videos soon. Have a good one.